1.6, linear systems. This, the first half of this is a review from Algebra 1, but I know we may or may not remember it. So a system of linear equations is a set of two or more equations using the same variable. And so when we're graphing, this becomes pretty easy as long as things are just like a whole number. So what am I talking about here? If I graph this, I like to get y by itself first. So I get 2y equals negative x plus 3. Divide all the way across, I get y equals negative 1/2 x plus 3/2, which is 1.5. So that is my y-intercept there. And I'm going to do my best to go down 1 over 2, down 1 over 2, because I have a negative 1/2 x slope. Okay, I'm going to do the same thing for the next one. And divide by negative 2. Which means I'm going to start at negative 2, up 1 over 2, 1 over 2. But notice, this is not an exact location. I could take a pretty good guess that it's 3.5, and then negative, and that's halfway in between 0 and 1/2, so maybe 1/4. But at that point, I'm doing my best guess. So I may want to pick a different method. One of those methods, if I have access to a calculator, would be Desmos. Because Desmos, you just touch right there and it will tell you exactly where they cross. You would also be able to type this in Desmos. You wouldn't have to change it. But if that was not accessible and I had to do a different way, I could take my elimination skills. So when one is positive and one is negative, I just add straight down. I say positive and negative, the coefficients have to be the same too, so they're both 2. So x plus x is 2x, 2y minus 2y cancels out to be 0, and then 3 plus 4 is 7. So I get x equals 7 divided by 2, which is 3.5. That's a good start. Plug that back into either equation because they should both work. So I get 2y equals negative 0.5. There's a negative there. Divided by 2 is negative 0.25. So I did a good job at guessing, but sometimes this way is just as quick.